Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to turn off the Preserve Exposure Adjustment feature on your iPhone. First, we need to open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the camera option. Go ahead and tap on that. Okay, now in the camera settings, you're looking for Preserve Settings. Tap on Preserve Settings to open it. Here you'll see Exposure Adjustment. Simply toggle that switch to the off position. That's all there is to it. Now that you've done this, you can close out of the Settings app. The next time you open your iPhone's camera app, your exposure settings will reset back to the default settings. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks.